I-cord bind off. Cast on 3 stitches using the cable cast on. Knit 2 stitches. And then slip, slip, knit. Now put your 3 stitches back on your left needle. Knit 2, and then slip, slip, knit, and then return those to your left needle. Okay, I'm up to my last stitch, so I'll transfer those 3 stitches back to my left needle, and I will knit the first 2, then slip, slip, knit, slip those back to the left needle, and bind off with a basic bind off. So knit 1, knit 2, pass a stitch over, knit another one, pass that stitch over, then clip your yarn, pull your little tail through, and there you are.